Hey everyone, it's Miguel. This is my channel, Shortboi, and I'm documenting my adventures with my car here in the back. It's a 318 Ti. That's the name of the channel, Shortboi, because of, you know, these chassis are shorter than usual. And it's weird to talk to yourself. I don't like it. It's my daily driver, my fun car. It's my only car, so I'm kind of shit out of luck right now. I currently blew the head gasket, and that's what I'm fixing right now. And all the other while you're in there things, like all the seals in the head. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it all up, clean the valves. They're full of gunk and carbon. Replace a lot of vacuum hoses that have been cracked over the years. And you know, I'm new to YouTube, but you know, I do a lot of work on my car. I've done a lot so far, and I feel like sharing that with everyone would be beneficial for everyone, including me, because I've struggled with getting myself out there and being creative, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Currently, well, I've got the head out, obviously. It was a pain in the ass, but it was all right. Right now, I've taken the cams out so I can replace the valve seals. And luckily, there's a guy online that sells this. It's a valve spring compressor tool. And it doubles as a fidget spinner. A dual fidget spinner, dude? Sick. It goes down in the block and use the studs to compress the valves. And it allows you to take the keepers out without issue. I tried to do the hammer method, but I feel like that's too primitive for me. Something more graceful like a compressor tool like this works just fine, and it's more my vibe. This one unfortunately doesn't fit exactly these valves because these are not tapered. This one is designed for the tapered valves that taper up to the top, so the top is smaller than the bottom. There's little grooves here that sit nicely in that, but these are too large, so it kind of just sits on the top of the valve. But we can go ahead and start. I've already kind of started this. So in this case, the keepers and the valves themselves are just stuck together. You see, I've compressed the valves, well, the valve springs, but these are completely stuck to the keepers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this guy and smash it as hard as I can. Nah, just kidding, just a tap. Just enough to break them loose from the yeah, that's what I get. Four. Note to self, don't keep your cams and your shit where you're gonna be working. I don't have enough space for this shit, so my goal for this car is like a street track car, like everyone else. A daily driver that I can take to the track. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these valves up. And I do thank you for joining me. If you stayed through the whole thing, thanks. Go ahead and thumbs up and like. I got a bunch of plans for this car, and hopefully I'll get better at making videos. And you know, I'm very new to this, so bear with me. But yeah, there's a lot to do. So I hope I see you in the next one. See ya, thanks.